In the tranquil village of Aorai, days unfolded like passing clouds. While others hurried through their routines, a young girl named May paused to listen. To most, the wind was silent, but to May, it was a soft whisper. "Follow where the sky touches the earth," the breeze murmured. May followed the playful swirl of wind beyond the rice fields. Moss shimmered like starlight as luminous orbs danced in the air. At the path's end stood a colossal tree. Beneath its canopy, a gentle creature stirred. "You can hear it, can't you?" Its voice rumbled like distant thunder. May nodded softly. "The wind." The creature smiled. "The wind chose you because you listened." People became distracted. May felt a warm caress against her skin, a silent thank you. May returned, teaching the village to listen once more. For magic never truly disappears. We simply forget how to listen.